Now, when I click on this button, it asks me for a number of days for which I want to extract emails. So if I enter 3 and then click OK, it asks me for the email because I have different emails. So I'll specify the email with the number and click OK. And the moment I click OK, it gives me a new sheet by extracting all the emails from last 3 days.
This video is going to be really, really interesting because I'm going to show you how to extract emails from Outlook to Excel worksheet. Now, let's say you want to extract all the emails that you have received from your boss in the last 5 days, or you want to extract all the emails with a specific word in the subject. So this is something we're going to learn in this video. So make sure to watch, and now let's get started.
Let me start off with the first email extractor. So when I click on it, it gives me a message box that asks me for how many days I want to extract email IDs for. So if I want to extract email IDs for last 7 days, 5 days, or even 3 days, I need to enter that number into this input box. So I'll go with 5 and then click OK. Now you can see here I have one more input box here where I need to enter a number. So I have 4 different email accounts in my Outlook. So if I go to my Outlook and show you, you can see I have 4 different email accounts. And that's the reason I have all of these emails listed here. So if I want to go with the first email, I need to enter 1 and then 2 or 3 or 4. And if I want to extract emails from all the accounts that I have in my Outlook right now, I need to enter 0. So this extractor is pretty smart when it comes to handling different email accounts in Outlook. So now I'm going to go with the first email and I'm going to enter 1 here and click OK. And you can see here, it has extracted 73 emails from last 5 days from the email ID that I have specified in my input box. Now, in the same way, I have this second extractor, which goes a little beyond when extracting emails. When I click on it, it again asks me for the number of days. Okay, I'll enter it. Let's say 5. And now here, it also allows me to enter a specific email that I want to use to extract emails. So let's say if I want to extract emails from my boss or from a specific colleague or specific client, I can enter that email ID here. So let me go with my own email ID and click OK. And if you want to have emails from all the senders, you can just leave this input bar blank and then click OK. Now here I need to specify the account from which I want to extract the emails. So I'm going to go with 2 because I have used the first email ID as the sender's email ID. So I'll go with the second one and I will enter 2 here and click OK. And you can see I have 3 emails from this email ID to the email ID that I have specified, that account that I have selected. I have 3 emails in last 5 days. Now, this is the third email extractor, which goes one more step further. So when I click on it, it again asks me for number of days. So I'll specify, let's say 5 and then click OK. And again, the email ID of the sender, I'm going to specify my own email ID again. When I click OK, now the third thing, the new functionality that we have in this extractor is I can specify a keyword to search for. So let's say if I enter this keyword testing and click OK. And this fourth step is way more smarter. Let me explain it to you in just a few seconds. So when you specify a keyword to search for, you have 2 options to use. The one is to search for that particular keyword only in the subject of the email or into the subject as well as the body of the email. So when you select email ID and subject, it will take a little bit of time because it has to go through each email and each email's body. But if you just want to search for that keyword from subject, you can do that. So I'll go with no because I just want to search that keyword from the subject of the emails. So I'll click on no. And again, I need to specify the account from which I want to extract the email. So I'll go with 2 and click OK. Now you can see here, I have 2 emails that I have received from this email to this email which I have specified in the account. But when I go back, the previous result that I have got, you can see I had 3 emails, and here I have 2 emails. The reason is, in these 2 emails, I have this keyword testing, and here I had the entire list of emails for last 3 days. So you have 3 different email extractors here to extract emails from Outlook. And make sure to download this extractor from the link in the description. And make sure to share your feedback in the comment section. And I'll see you in the next video.